Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Hey bitch.
If you're new here, remember to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, get into it. I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve this look. Not the makeup look, just the hair. You feel me? Comment a black heart if you watched the video to the end. If you did, use a real one, real MVP. I got love for you. I do. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is comb it back. Comb this shit back. Oh, shouldn't say YouTube. I don't even know if I can do this hairstyle because I'm trying to achieve half a puff down. Probably saw that in the thumbnail or whatever. I'm not the best at hair. I'm really not. I'm just looking at my mirror in front of me to help me see what I'm doing. Wish me luck, guys, because I'm struggling already. If you can tell, I'm struggling. I'm parting this hair how many times now? Let's do the other side. Hot comb on. I've got all my tools in front of me on the side table here. My bedside table. But yes. Try and do this half up, half down. Actually, you know how it has that little fringe at the side, the little bang? I want to try to do that. I don't even know how much hair I need to take out. And if you're a returning subscriber, how you doing? Whoever watching my video, thank you for the love and some support. Appreciate it. Alright, I'm gonna get this bubble. Just tie that thing up. Okay, let's do this thing. Is my wig lifting? I can't stand these wigs again on my nerves when I tell you. Okay. Yeah, like so. I'm trying to achieve this 90s look. 90s half up, half down look. Okay, now I'm gonna get this small tooth comb and try and smooth it out. Oh gosh. Because I kind of want it going up. I don't want a low ponytail. Not really. My arms, oh, combing it up. A workout. Take that bubble. I need more bubbles. I keep losing them. I hope it turns out okay. This wig is the same wig that I did my other that I did my other video for. Damn. Work with me, not against me. Okay. Tie that thing up. Like, I've been wearing wigs for like, I'll probably say like 4 years. Yeah, and I still can't get the gist. Like, I'm trying. I've improved a lot. Nah, but my best friend, she can do hair real good. She can do wigs real good. She's talented, man. Yeah, she's talented or whatever. Okay. I'm not even done yet. What else needs doing? Let me comb this ponytail out. Comb it out. Be gentle now. Start from the ends. Work your way up. Work your way up. Work your way up. Bring it down. Ooh, that glided through, girl. That shit glided. I think I'm gonna add curls. Should I add the scrunchie as well? Where's it gone? Oh, should I add this? Give you that 90s vibe. Do this. Work on this. Yeah, I'm gonna curl it because I want to curl this little thing here. Trick. That should do it. Turn this bad boy off. Now I'm gonna put some heat protectant in my hair. Where is it? Excuse me. I've been wanting to start YouTube for like a long time, like my own channel, but I was just so scared to get it started. But girl, or whoever's watching this video, start that channel. iPhones are so bad for storage. Like, give me a break. Every time I want to try record a video saying storage full. Like, get out. Like, I'm not trying to hear that. No negativity. What? Nah, but it's so bad. Like, I just got this phone the other day. Not even the other day, a few months. But yeah, saying storage full already. Like, calm down. Where you going? About storage full. Damn, look at the curl though. Nah, that curl flopped, so I'm gonna curl it again. I think I want to get a camera because this quality ain't the best neither. And this is an iPhone 11. Where's it right there? Try and change the settings on my camera to 4K. That's taking up too much space. Can't win with these iPhones, man. What? Let me try again one more time. If I can't get it right, then I'm gonna try again. Maybe I'm curling it the wrong way. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's why it's coming out like that. I don't know. I'm not the best at curling hair. Anytime now. This curl better look A1 because I ain't got the time. I mean, I got the time because I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing important. That's what I'm talking about. Thank the Lord. Hallelujah. Oh. Oh. It's not coming out how I want it to. Damn. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just not the curl that I wanted, but we move. Really don't like curling hair. I really don't. But for this look, for you guys, I'll do it. But yeah, not that you asked or anything, but you know. Okay, here we go. I never know like which way is the best way to curl hair. Oh, don't watch my nails. The gel polish is peeled off in it. Oh, oh. What's up, Bring? What's up, Keisha? Cause she thick. Thick. Ashley. I don't even know the words. Oof. I am so bad at lyrics. Like, I don't know lyrics to a full song. I can't think of one song that I know the full lyrics to. I can't think. As you can see, I've curled this side. Just got this side to do. This better turn out good because this better turn out good. What a waste of my time. Ring, ring, ring. Ooh, some arm action. Voila. Ooh, I really want to get my eyebrows done, like threaded, but everywhere locked down. Everywhere is on lockdown. Everywhere. Like, can't there be some shops that want to open on the low, do a little sneaky business? Wanna do business? Don't ask. I don't know why that's in my head. I can't pluck them because I can't. That pain is just too much. Like, can't pluck it myself. No. Nah, it's not for me. I don't know how some people can do it. Like, you was tough. You was tough. That's how you finding this lockdown ring. How you finding this 100th lockdown? How are you guys finding it? I've had enough. I don't like it. I think everyone's feeling this lockdown a lot more. I don't know what it is. Something in the water. But I'm telling you, we better be able to have our summer this year. Didn't enjoy our summer last year. The sun was beaming. Nice weather. We were stuck inside. We wasn't allowed to go nowhere. Just the park and back. Not even that was a problem. Let us go, Boris. Like, what the fuck is you doing? Fucking scruffy and raggedy ass. Upset me, my homegirls. My home skillets. Bet. Oh, no. What the fuck? Girl, no. Maybe it's the way I'm cutting. Maybe I should cut it the other way. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Let's see how this curl turns out. Okay, she curling. She curling. She twirling. Turning on the curler. Okay. Period. This better look good when I'm done. Curl that beat. Curl that beat. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. Girl! I'm gonna split this in two, like so. And then curl it. Curl it. How should I curl it though? You better stay put, girl. Oh, did I turn it off? I feel like I turned it off. Oh, no bad. It was on. Okay. Oof. 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 Ow. Look at it loosening up. Why is it loosening? Look at the. You call this curl, girl. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, come on. Yeah. We did it. She curling. She is curling. But her friend. Oh. Yeah, she got a curl again. You better look good. I'm gonna do the baby hairs last, and then I roll my fingers through with some oil and hairspray, and I'm good. And I'm done. And that's it. It's a wrap. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do my baby hairs now. I'm just using a old toothbrush that I use for my baby hairs now. Add some eco styler. This, I love this. I need to re-up on it because this is literally empty. Is it giving 90s though? Because that's the vibe I'm trying to go for. Oh, she cute. It's just this. Maybe I might tuck this away somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna tuck her. Let's try a little some. Oh yeah, yep, did that. It looks so much better like this. Oh, I can't. I need a grip, hair grip. Hold this in place. 1 second. Get your attention. Hey girl, I really wanna be all up in your way. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, hairspray.
Somebody, he needs some milk.
Ooh, baby hair, baby love. Add some more. Hold on. Okay, I'm done. That's too much. Here's the finishing look, girl. Oh, I know. I love these. Actually, come a long way with hair, with doing hair. Proud of myself. Pat on the back. Oh, I ain't done yet. Should I add it? I'm gonna add it. Let me see what it looks like. I'm ruining the curls. Nah. I don't know. Nah. No. She gotta go.